And our top focus at this hour, Gaurav and Saurabh Luthra, the owners of a Goa nightclub where 25 people were killed in a massive fire, are on their way back to India. Visuals from Bangkok showed the brothers at the airport from where they are being deported to India as we speak. They are expected to land in New Delhi in a short while. The Luthra brothers were detained by Thai authorities in Phuket following an intervention by the Indian embassy. They are the co-owners of the Birch by Romeo Lane nightclub in North Goa, Arpora, where a massive fire broke out earlier this month. The brothers had left for Phuket shortly after a fire broke out. A Delhi court had last week refused to grant the brothers interim protection from arrest. And there's more on this from our principal correspondent, Disha Yadav, who sent us this report.
Well, absolutely. After completing all the legal proceedings in Thailand, the Luthra brothers have been deported to India by the Thailand authorities on Tuesday morning. We saw the visuals of both the Luthra brothers at the Bangkok airport boarding an Indigo flight at about 9:45 a.m. and they are expected to reach the Delhi airport between 1:45 to 2 p.m. where the teams from Goa as well as Delhi are ready. The police teams, they will be then taking them to the Patiala court for their transit remand and other legal procedures. What we understand later during the day or maximum by end of the day, the Luthra brothers will be then taken to Goa by the team of Goa police, where further investigations will be done. Remember, both the brothers were absconding for a very long time and Goa police in the initial investigations have found a lot of irregularities, lapses because both the brothers are the owners of the nightclub that had caught fire and killed 25 people. So the structure had no permissions whatsoever, no fire safety norms were followed by the owners here in concern. Even the structure itself that was built is illegal. The land documents were also forged by the Luthra brothers, is what the police have found so far. And now they will be tomorrow produced in Mapsa court for further custody. And Goa police will then continue the investigation in this case. This is Isha reporting here for WION from Mumbai.